Hi, my name's John Rabil. I own Launch, which is a legal and advisory firm for small and mid-sized businesses. And today I thought I'd talk a little bit about intellectual property and the implications that has with businesses. So typically, there are four types of intellectual property that apply to businesses: copyrights, trademarks, patents, or trade secrets. Now, every business has some sort of intellectual property. And one of the main things to think about is one, can you recognize your intellectual property? And can you then take the steps necessary to protect your intellectual property? Because intellectual property can be an extremely valuable asset for businesses. Think about, for example, the trademark to Apple. Uh, that's an extremely valuable piece of their portfolio, and would be valued highly in the event they were going to sell the company. So it's important to understand what they are, how to recognize them, and how to protect them. Trade secrets are a very big one. Every company has some sort of trade secret. You're talking about your client list, your prospect list, your business development plan, or your marketing plan, whatever your internal policies are that you do not want to get released to the public. That's a trade secret. So you want to make sure you're taking all the necessary steps to protect those confidentiality agreements, agreements with your employees, your contractors, whoever may be coming into contact with that information needs to have some sort of agreement in place that prevents them from releasing information to the public. Uh, Trademarks are great for protecting logos or slogans. You can file for, federal registration with them, protect them nationwide. Copyrights are a great asset as well. Think about if you create some sort of revolutionary plan or way to go about doing something. You can copyright that and then license it out to other companies. And then finally, patents, of course, designs, processes that you may come up with can be very valuable. Just need to take the right steps to register that federally as well. So really important to recognize what your intellectual property is and then make sure you protect it so it doesn't get out to the public.
Make sure you subscribe, like, and add your question to the comments. We look forward to helping you on your entrepreneurship journey to build a feasible, sustainable, and profitable business. So subscribe, and we will see you once again next week.